Hey everyone! Today we're going to walk through designing a friend request screen using the Ionic Design Kit. We'll go over why this screen matters, how the Ionic Design Kit makes it easier, and the steps to build one efficiently. Let's get started. On the left, we're working with official Ionic documentation snippets to guide the coding process. In the center, you'll see the layout designed using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, a phone emulator shows how everything comes together in real time. Pause the video anytime if you need a closer look. All the code snippets are available on our website, so you'll always have what you need. A friend requests screen is where users manage their connections. It shows incoming and outgoing requests, making it easy to accept or decline new connections. A well-designed screen provides clear request statuses, intuitive actions, and an organized layout, ensuring a smooth and engaging user experience. The Ionic Design Kit speeds up development by offering pre-made components that integrate seamlessly with the Ionic framework. Instead of designing everything from scratch, you can drag and drop elements, customize layouts, and focus on creating a smooth user experience. Designers get an intuitive way to structure the screen, while developers can implement it without complex coding. The result is a faster, more efficient workflow. Using Ionic's pre-built elements keeps the design consistent and the development process smooth, so you can focus on enhancing the user experience. A friend request screen is a small but important part of any social app, helping users connect effortlessly. With the Ionic Design Kit, you can build it quickly and maintain a professional, polished look. Thanks for watching and happy coding!